Hey guys, we're just here with another session with EchoVox. I'm gonna go to the side of my tablet because you guys can actually see the dots better that way. I have my settings pretty random, but we're gonna do an experiment here. If they decide to do the white noise, which you guys have seen the videos already know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna start. Hey guys, can you hear me? Is Tommy here? Hey Tommy, I heard you say Tommy. Where are you? Tommy, can you make the white noise, please? Please make the white noise for me. Come through. Let me hear you. I know you're trying to. I hear you. Where are you? In heaven? Tommy, I hear you. Keep trying that, Tommy. You're doing good. Can you give me a white noise, Tommy? I heard you say Brandon. Who did that? Who said my name? Hey, who are you? Can you guys give me the white noise? Can you try to? I love it when you guys do that. Do you need more energy? Use the energy from my tablet. It's on a charger right now. Come through for me, Thomas. Or Dave. Or anybody. Any good spirit. I hear you saying I'm trying to make. I heard white. Heard you say trying to make white noise? Is that what you're saying? Would you guys just do the speaker just now? That was different. Can you do that again? Help me help you. Help us understand. I hear you saying Tom. Are you guys calling for Tom again? Tommy. Hey, Tom. How are you? Okay, so I'm spinning the dial. Thank you guys. You've helped a lot of people, I think. So as you guys just saw, I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Thank you. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, everybody. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye. So, I got the white noise on video again, as well as spin the dial, so that will prove to you guys there's no good setting. They're all great. They can all work. I just spun the whole dial through many frequencies of wave sounds, and they could still come through. So that's something to be investigated. Maybe there's a megahertz or a frequency that they can pick up on that maybe somebody will be able to make an app, a new app, and maybe they'll be able to talk crystal clear like that the whole time. It is hard for them to do, so maybe it just takes them energy. Maybe there isn't a frequency that can do it. I don't know. But all I know is that this thing works great and that they can talk very clearly. Thank you.